Here for Vinitaly, presenting the wines of our family vineyard, Bastianich, in the lovely city of Verona. We're really from Istria, which is a complicated story, but Trieste was always our city. When I dreamed of making wine, where else could I come to in Italy but Friuli Venezia Giulia, and that's how my love story with Friuli begins. It's certainly the premier white wine making region in Italy. You can make white wines in a lot of places, but I think Friuli, with its terroir and microclimates, especially in Collio and Collio Orientale, has the ability to make really world-class white wines. White wines that could sit at the table with the great white wines of the world, be Alsace or Burgundy, Australia, what have you. So we have a great resource of indigenous varietals, international varietals, and we can make world-class wines. It's the place that time left behind, and that's the beauty of it. When I go back to Cividale at the winery, it's like an Italy that I remember from the 70s or 80s. It's a little bit unruined yet, still a little bit raw, it's the road less traveled. What's my favorite wine is my wine that I make, Vespa Bianco, of course. What else would it be?